Good morning, Britain. Today we will be talking about and showing you a clip of people fighting because of a dog show. People disagreed of who the winner was. Okay, we'll show you a clip now. Things get violent. Okay, everybody. You will be showing me your pet's best tricks. Woof woof. Okay. Madame, please can you go first? You with the dogs. Okay, my dogs are amazing. Woof-woo, woof-woo. That was my dog's first trick. Wait. Woof-woo, woof-woo. Hours later, things get really violent. Get lost! I hate you! Stop it! Girls, stop! I'm gonna kill you! Stop it!
Now reporting live from New York, it's Kim Kardashian.
Hi, I'm Diva Quinn, and today we will be reviewing Kim Kardashian. You'll watch the rest of this in part 2.